Aerodynamics quiz. Let's see if you can get the last one. What force allows an airplane to stay in the air? Lift. What part of the airplane generates most of the lift? The wings. What is the force that opposes an airplane's motion through the air? Drag. What is the angle between the wing and the oncoming airflow called? Angle of attack. What principle explains the upward force generated by the wings when air moves faster over the top surface than the bottom? Bernoulli's principle. What is the purpose of winglets on the tips of airplane wings? To reduce drag caused by wingtip vortices. What is the term for the point on an airfoil where the aerodynamic forces are considered to act? The center of pressure. What is the significance of the Reynolds number in aerodynamics? It indicates whether a fluid flow is laminar or turbulent. What is the name of the effect where a wingtip vortex reduces the effective angle of attack of the wing? Downwash. What is the Coanda effect? The tendency of a fluid to follow a curved surface. Let us know how well you did in the comments.